The tribes were not of the habit of recording their history or recording the knowledge they acquired. Hence, their myths, folk songs, and local knowledge are not that familiar to others because the tribes were not of the habit of recording their history or recording the knowledge they acquired. Their ethnic art forms and rituals still prevail, though with changes. The place where the tribal people live together is known as Uru. Each Uru has a leader. People respectfully call him Uru Moopan. The Moopan, or a group of senior members, including the Moopan, look after the administration of the Uru. Either the Moopan or the elderly group will have the supreme power in take decisions on matters like marriage, other disputes, customs, rituals, etc. The place where the tribal people live together is known as Uru. Each Uru has a leader. People respectfully call him Uru Moopan. Let us examine the features of a traditional rural society. People of rural areas are close to each other and know each other. Their clothing are simple and so are their lifestyles. Agriculture and allied activities are the important occupation of traditional rural communities. Cattle rearing and handicraft are also their means of living. Joint family system had great importance in traditional village. Many rural joint families had their own traditional occupations undertaken by their clan. Villages give importance to neighborhood relations. They share and care for each other's happiness and sorrow. Generally, all of them take part in rituals and festivals. Villagers help others and cooperate with each other. Festivals have a great place in the village life. Harvest festivals were the major celebrations in the village. India continues to be a land of village, but many of the villages are getting transformed into towns and cities. These are the features of a traditional rural society. Many of the villages do not retain their original form anymore. Villages transform into towns, towns into cities, and some cities to metro cities. The cities attract the village folk, offering better prospect in employment, education, etc. People migrate on large scale to cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, and Kochi. Many of the cities do not retain their original form anymore. Villages transform into towns, towns into cities, and some cities to metro cities. Cities attract many, but there are reasons for cities to be disliked as well. It is a reality that cities possess many facilities as well, but do you know that cities are also centers of several problems? Both the upper class, who enjoy all comfort in life, and the poor lower class in slums live in the cities. Many of the problems in the cities affected all of them. Cities attract money, but there are a lot of problems also. Let's check the remedies to the problems in cities. systematic planning, eco-friendly constructions, housing policy, basic facilities for making life easy. These are the remedies to the problems in cities.